You touch my life with the softness in the night. My words on your command until you rain out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you gone. Knife cuts like a knife, you're all I ever hit. I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife, you cut away the heart of my life. When I return, all the while to fool my daughter's bed, I wonder if they know I just a soul. I'm a mistake. Day and night I go to my dream, but how can I know skies won't see my eyes? Knife cuts like a knife, all what I ever hit. I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife, you cut away the heart of my life. And oh, 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 oh. I try and try, knocking on the fate I feel inside. The pain wanting you, wanting you. Knife cuts like a knife, all what I ever hit. I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife, all what I ever hit. I'm so deeply wounded. You got away the heart of my life.